Hello, today we are going to introduce the TVS newly launched xpod helmet. I just ordered online and which is very pretty, and compared to other rates which is cheaper than 2500 rupees only. I'll share a few feedbacks about this helmet compared to even I'm using my LS2. So this is cool looking and 1 kilo, and see how does it looks. It's awesome, man? And good design, and you can see they have first of all safety side ISI and DOT certified. So both certification they have. So that is very prettier part. In Indian helmets we can see mostly ISI, and this is a very good standard certification. And this shell is little more stronger, lighter, and shock absorber. So and aerodynamic, it's having aerodynamic design. So this is how it looks. I will take another video and I'll tell you some features. So normally this is having air vents. So this is the inner intake and this is the outer side. And it has one hole for keeping headset, like a Bluetooth headset here. So it's not visible like you can, but there is a space for keeping Bluetooth headsets. That area is there. And one more under the specification, you can remove all these things. This you can even wash it, and this is chin dust protection. This also it can be removable like this. And another feature, it is having like openable closing this thing. Then this part is there, like all the like a premium 4,000 5,000 rupees helmets are, all things are there in this helmet, which is costing for 2,500, and it is very fit, tight. It has large, medium sizes, and this cover has like anti-fog, so it won't give the fog if you close also. This won't block your view and all these things. Then what else I need to share? Yeah, it is having 2-year warranty or 3-year date of manufacture warranty, something like that. And one more special feature for like it, which seen in 7,000 6,000 rupees helmet, which is like this reflector. So I'll show how it does. Reflect. I'll upload a picture. This reflector is there.